Just because it is taking longer does not mean you are not going to get there. I had read it somewhere that compass was invented before watch because direction is more important than the duration. When things are not working in our favor or when it is taking longer than expected, we start questioning our path. Is it even meant for me? Because when you see everyone around you is winning in some way, you start questioning yourself. You start doubting yourself कि हो सकता है कि मैं ही कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, or maybe whatever I'm trying to win that is not for me. Maybe that's just my delusion. But here is the thing, you can always take easier route. But that easier route won't last long. क्योंकि जो चीज़ आपको अचानक से मिल जाती है वो अचानक से जा भी सकती है. But when you are climbing a ladder, and even if you fall, you know how to climb a ladder. Every delay is just shaping you into becoming a person who can handle that success. Every delay is just shaping you into becoming a person who can handle that success. Because not every delay is a no, sometimes it's a preparation. The internet is so full with the things that do this if you want to win in life, do this if you want quick success. But sometimes those things even not work for you. At some point, you have to stop looking around and start trusting your own path. Because the goal is not to reach faster, the goal is to reach the goal. Because even if you are giving your 100%, there are gonna be some things that is out of your control. You cannot control the timing of things to happen. You cannot control the divine timing. Because if you look around, every single person who has done something great in their life, they all face setbacks, they all face these kind of delays. You just have to keep going, you just have to keep showing up every single day because there is nothing that you can't have. If you are putting your mind or energy into it, eventually that thing is gonna happen. I mean, think about it. If you plant a seed and you are watering that seed every single day, eventually it is gonna grow. You are not unlucky, you are not cursed, you are not a bad person. So stop telling yourself that things always work for other people but not for me. No, when it is gonna be your time, things will work for you. And honestly, everyone in their life has that kind of moments where they question their choices, everything feels like falling apart, and you just don't know what to do. And the whole point of doing that thing or taking that longer route, it makes you feel alive, it makes you feel like yourself again. It brings you that joy, it brings you that happiness. You can get the same thing with easier route, but that easier route is not gonna fill your cup. There are thousands of things that you can become, but the reason why you want to become that one thing is because that is you. You have seen something into it, you have seen that vision. I mean, thinking about it, you are thinking of giving up on that dream. So, even if you decide to quit and try something completely different, you still have to put the hard work. You still have to learn new skills. You still have to perform. You still have to put efforts. So, if the effort is required either way, why not to give 100% to something that makes you feel alive? To something that makes you feel something. Because when things are not working in your favor, you start juggling up into 10 different things to see maybe that route is not for me, maybe let's try something else. But before juggling into different things, ask yourself, are you giving your 100% into it? Beginning is always hard, but once you are here, there is no going back. I want to remind you that it is only the beginning. Like this phase is so hard, but once you are here, everything is sorted. You will forget all those struggling years once you get that thing. If you are doing something that is quite different than society norms, you are so much braver. It takes so much pressure to do something that you want to do, to follow your heart. इट टेक करेज. द थिंग इज कि आप इजी रूट लेके ठीक है आपको वो चीज़ें हो सकता है मिल जाए, बट यू कैन नॉट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. So the whole point of pursuing that thing is because that makes you feel something that fills your cup. That's the whole point of doing that thing.